Hello friend, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Thank you. So today the lecture number 8 of crystal field theory. What is the name of today topic? Today topic will be about how to predict the spin state of given octahedral complex. In this lecture and today lecture you can anyone can after listening the lecture, after listening the complete lecture, anyone can be find, can be predict, can be calculate easily, can be predict that the given octahedral complex are is high spin complex or low spin complex. They can be easily predicted. So here is only just two condition used. If you know this condition you can easily predict these the given complex, that is either high spin complex or low spin complex. So what is the condition? For the condition, first of all you should need to know the way what is del naught and what is p. I already told you in previous lectures that del naught is called crystal field splitting energy. It is the energy in which the eg has slightly energy increased while the d and while the t to g has increased decreased, some energy decreased. So the amount, so the difference between the increase and decrease is called del naught crystal field splitting energy. The mean pairing energy means mean pairing energy mean pairing energy means the energy that is required to against electronic repulsion, the energy required to pair the electrons against electronic repulsion. It is called mean pairing energy. So here you should, when you know these two things, or when you know these two things del naught and p, then you can use then you can predict any given octahedral complex. You can predict that given complex octahedral is high spin or low spin. There is only two condition. When del naught is greater than p, which what will be the condition, what will be its, the electrons tend to pair. Here the electrons will be, the electrons will be tend to pair, means pairing will be occur, pair. So if electrons tend to pair, hence low spin, hence low spin low spin complex will be formed, low spin complex will be formed. So that is only when del naught is greater than p, when the value of del naught is greater than p, low spin complex will be occur. If value of del naught is, if value of del naught is larger, if value of del naught is smaller than p, then what will be condition? The electron will be, the electron will be unpaired, electron will unpaired, and hence when electron are unpaired, hence high spin high spin complex will be formed, will be formed. These are only two conditions about this. Is it clear? So let's take some example. In first case, the mean pairing energy is less than del naught. So if mean pairing energy is less than del naught, it means that the electron, it means the energy that required to electron, that required to pair the electron against electron repulsion, it is less than del naught. So it cannot be have, it has not efficiency to pair the electron. If there is pairing of electron occur, so if there is pairing of electron occur, we can say that there is low spin complex. When there is not, and when there is pairing of electron cannot be occur, it will be high spin complex. Is it clear? Okay, let's take some example. Let's take some example about this. You will be if I am showing just you some experimental value, after that you will be cleared easily. Sorry, you can rewind the video to take screenshot or to clear your confusion. So let's take some example. If there is let's suppose here is one complex MnH2O taken 6 plus 2 ion. Here is value of del naught, where is value of p and value of del naught. Value of p both in centimeter inverse. Value of del naught is 20. Experimental value for del naught for p is in this case is 25,000, 25,500, 500, where the value of del naught is here 7,800. So I already told you that when the value of del naught is smaller than value of p, then what will happen here will be happen, it will be high spin complex, because it is the second condition when value of p, when p is greater than del naught, when p is greater than del, or del naught is less than p, though, so high spin will be formed. So let's take another example. Fe H2O taken 6 plus 2. Here is 17,600 experimental value of P for that complex, and the del naught value for this complex is 10,400. So what will be happen here is also del naught is less than P, so high spin will be the complex, and both will be high spin complex. If iron is used with strong ligand, 6 plus 3 iron, sorry, minus 4, the experimental for that is 17,600, while for del naught value is a 33,000. So here the del naught value is greater than p. If del naught value is greater than p, here this is, if del naught value is greater than p, then it will be low spin complex. Is it clear? So take some another example. Let's CONH3. H3 is also strong ligand, plus 3. Here the experimental value of P for this is 21,000, while for del naught is 23,000. So the del naught value is greater than p, so we can say that that is also low spin complex. So if you know only the value of p and del naught, you can predict that the given complex is a octahedral complex, or the given complex is high spin complex or low spin complex, just by knowing only two conditions. When p is greater than del naught, when p is greater than del naught, high spin complex will form. When p is less than del naught, low spin complex will form. This is all about today lecture. Is it clear? I hope you will be get correctly, you will be get perfectly. Okay, thank you. You can take screenshot. Also you can ask any questions about this lecture in comment section. Also you can ask me in Gmail or in my WhatsApp in description. So thank you very much. Please comment us how are you cleared. Please take these comments, and also subscribe my channel please, so it make me happy to support that my students are supporting me. Okay, best of luck. Thank you very much my student.